Yeah, my friend. Marian, are you?
It's nice, my friend. English ba? Why you are not English, friend? You're not English?
Gigil ako? Gigil ako karon. You know guys, today is interrupt connection. Corruption connection. Our here because it's brand out guys. Yeah. So good. Singkay! Singkay! Dagan bang isda dito, Ray? Hindi, hindi. Oh my goodness. You're nice eating. You're eating. That's singkay. Singkay! Singkay! Ha? Alas 12 pa. 12:40. Yes, still 12:40. Sinaulo pa kami. And my friend is eating. Tani daw. My friend is eating while the cat is fishing. Where is your vlog? Name of your vlogs? That's all? You get that's all? Oh. I don't know. Vlog mo nag-story ha? Live ni? Yes, vlog mo nag-story ha? Makarating. That is Ryan, our chef supervisor here in our hotel, guys. I'm still eating again.
Where are you? That's Larry, guys. That is Larry, guys. You know, we're going
Thank you
to
for your support, Jer.
just introduce your vlog, Lar.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel, Larry Vlogs.
Larry Vlogs. Okay, enjoy your travel. Sana all pa cute-cute. Manda kay premiere na ko ni.
Good afternoon, guys. I'm here in front of you because the interrupt connection of our electrical source of energy here in Zamboanga del Sur, Charot. You know, still igang, guys. Super still igang. Yeah, my hair is water because of the pawis, guys. Yeah, here's our background here, guys. It's very dirty, so that I'm here because I need air because in my room inside is very igang, so that I do. Yes, hello guys to all. Just support our channel, Chiray Pretty 101 Vlog. You know, English is very hard for me. That's why I learn everything. I learn everything while going here in at apartment, guys. Yeah, this is our apartment. That's it. Yeah, and that is the
No, di hindi ko na ito, my friend. Yeah, oh, this one. My face is very... Meow. Gawin ka? Meow? Gawin ka, meow? Ano, isda, Lar? Bigay, kaon ko niya, Lar.